After a stroke, regaining hand control can feel like an uphill battle, and many people don't know where to start or which exercises actually work. Losing hand control can be devastating, especially when everyday tasks like writing, eating, or even dressing become a struggle. Regaining this control is crucial for independence and confidence. That's why fine motor exercises are essential for recovery. They help rewire the brain and rebuild connections between the brain and muscles. Fine motor exercises target the small muscles in the hands, fingers, and wrists, which are responsible for precise movements. By strengthening these muscles, you can improve dexterity, coordination, and overall hand function. It's never too early or too late to start, and even small gains can make a significant difference in daily life. The key is to be consistent and patient, as regaining hand control takes time and effort. But with the right exercises and mindset, you can overcome the challenges and achieve significant improvements. In this video, we'll explore the common obstacles faced by stroke survivors, discuss the benefits of fine motor exercises, and present a series of practical exercises to help you regain hand control. One of the biggest challenges stroke survivors face is a lack of coordination between the brain and hands. Simple tasks like picking up small objects or even holding a cup become difficult due to tremors, muscle weakness, or spasms. This can lead to frustration, embarrassment, and social isolation, making everyday activities feel overwhelming. Another common issue is muscle atrophy, which occurs when muscles shrink due to disuse or injury. This can cause stiffness, pain, and limited range of motion, making it hard to perform even basic tasks like opening jars or using utensils. The emotional toll can be significant, as people may feel like they're losing control over their own bodies. The loss of hand control can also impact daily routines, like personal hygiene, dressing, or even feeding oneself. Simple pleasures like playing a musical instrument, painting, or enjoying a hobby become impossible, leading to feelings of sadness, anxiety, and despair. In addition to physical challenges, stroke survivors often face emotional and psychological barriers, such as fear, anxiety, or depression. These emotions can make it harder to stay motivated and committed to their rehabilitation program, ultimately slowing down their progress. The fear of failure or embarrassment can hold people back from trying new exercises or activities, making them feel like they're stuck in a rut. Social stigma or feelings of inadequacy can also discourage people from seeking help or discussing their challenges openly. However, it's essential to remember that regaining hand control is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. By acknowledging these challenges and addressing them head-on, you can overcome obstacles and make significant progress. One of the most effective ways to regain hand control is through fine motor exercises. These exercises target specific muscle groups, helping to increase strength, coordination, and dexterity. Let's take a look at some practical exercises you can do at home or with a therapist. Exercise number 1 is finger bending. Place a small object, like a pen or pencil, on a flat surface. Using your fingers, slowly bend down to pick it up, and then release it. Repeat this process several times, focusing on different fingers and varying the speed. Next is finger isolation. Hold your hand out in front of you, and slowly lift each finger one at a time, keeping the others still. This exercise helps improve finger dexterity and coordination. Another exercise is wrist extension. Hold a light weight, like a small dumbbell, in your hand with your palm facing down. Slowly lift your wrist up, keeping your forearm still, and then lower it back down. This exercise targets the muscles in your wrist and forearm. Finger opposition is also an excellent exercise. Hold a small object, like a coin, between your thumb and index finger. Slowly release the coin, and then pick it up again using the same fingers. This exercise helps improve hand-eye coordination and dexterity. Using putty or clay is another great way to exercise your hands. Simply manipulate the putty or clay with your fingers, rolling, squeezing, and shaping it into different forms. This exercise helps improve finger strength and coordination. There are many more exercises you can do to improve hand control, and we'll cover them in more detail later. It's essential to remember that consistency and patience are key. Start with simple exercises and gradually increase the difficulty as your hand control improves. One of the most inspiring things about regaining hand control is seeing the impact it has on people's lives. I'd like to share a personal success story from a stroke survivor who improved their hand control through these exercises. Sarah, a 55-year-old mother of 2, suffered a stroke that left her with severe hand weakness and coordination issues. She was unable to dress herself, cook, or even hold her grandchildren's hands. After starting a fine motor exercise program, Sarah began to notice significant improvements in her hand control. Within a few months, she could hold a fork, write her name, and even cook simple meals. The impact on her quality of life was immense. She felt more confident, independent, and able to connect with her loved ones again. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of fine motor exercises and the importance of perseverance. With consistent practice and the right mindset, you can achieve similar results and regain control over your hands. Remember, regaining hand control is a journey that takes time, effort, and patience. Don't give up, even when faced with setbacks or challenges. Celebrate your small victories, and don't be afraid to seek help or support when you need it. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to share your own experiences in the comments below. Have you struggled with regaining hand control after a stroke? What exercises or strategies have worked for you? Your stories can help inspire and motivate others who are on a similar journey. If you're looking for more resources on stroke recovery techniques or rehabilitation tips, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.